and welcome, and today we're going to build a flat pack chair. So this chair is from Swyft Home Furniture and it's a click system, so you don't have to have no nuts and bolts. They're sturdy sofas and armchairs and super stylish. So I have chosen a velvet one in, I keep calling it the elephant chair, but it's the elephant shade, but I couldn't decide between the blue, green and grey. So they're said to be super quick and easy to build, so we're gonna have a go and see if we can build one, so wish us luck.